Alright, today we're going to learn all about adding a user to your Allworx phone system. So go ahead and open a browser, preferably Chrome, because it's the most user-friendly with the Allworx administration interface, and enter the IP address you were given the day of your install, or a bookmark perhaps if you created one. And then go ahead and enter the credentials and log in. Now under Business, we're going to go to Users, and Users and Handsets are very similar, but a user's in the system under a license, and a handset's simply a phone that's associated with a user. So click on Users, and we're going to add a user. Now it'll default to this number right here, which is the next available extension. But if you want a different one, you can click Show Available and see which ones are available to you. But we're going to go ahead and just use that one for this test demonstration. So we want to match that number down there. So in the login name, that's for applications like Reach and Call Assistant and Interact. You want to click on X, and you want to create push X and then 107 to duplicate the number down here, but you have to have a character in there. We always just use a lowercase x by standard. And then we'll just call this person John Smith. And then 1234 we always use as a password. Makes it simple and easy for people. Now I don't require them to change it, but if you like to, you can. 1234, 1234, and then we don't assign a phone at this time. It's easier to basically just turn the new phone on and pick the user from the phone interface. You can give this person roles on the phone system if you want them to actually make some changes and tier down their responsibilities. Enable or disable voicemail. Increase the number of voicemails they're allowed to receive and the length of time they're allowed to receive those. Right here, you kind of want to give this an option for the users to get somebody out of their voicemail. So they can, during their voicemail, they can say press 0 to get to an operator, and then you want to send it somewhere when it goes to the operator. And then if they're in a call queue of any sort, you can place them in that call queue from here. And that's about all the settings you ever mess with. They're generally a VPN user. And then just click Add. You'll see your user right there, John Smith, extension 107, and you've added your user.